Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change profile banner in eFootball 2027 mobile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So go to extras, then tap on profile banner and then again tap on profile banner, and here you can see the profile banner list. So by default it is selected default one. So you can select any profile banner that you want to change to. You can select this one, green one, default 10, and then click on back. And here you can see profile banner has been changed. You can see that profile banner has been changed. Now if you want to change it, again go to profile banner, again click on profile banner, and then you can select the profile banner that you want to select from here. Let me select default 30, then go back, and here you can see profile banner has been changed. Again go back, and you can see profile banner has been changed. So this is how you can change profile banner in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.